Good morning, guys. Lucas and I get a good night's sleep. Lucas actually slept in really long for what he usually sleeps. We're gonna go grab some breakfast, and then we're gonna hit the Conway Scenic Railroad, and we'll make sure that we bring you guys along for that. So stay tuned. The bearer of this ticket may be called upon to chase cows from the track, stamp out grass fires, shovel coal, evict hobos, carry water, punch tickets, or otherwise make themselves useful in promoting the welfare of the company. Should have read that more carefully.
This is a 30-mile round trip. The conductor is Engel. Feel free to ask them as they pass through small car, the second car back from the engine. There is a snack bar in the Mount Washington Drive basketball on the train, and the snack bar features hot dogs, a variety of packaged snack foods, soda, coffee inside the car at all times.
those are old telegraph wires. a good time?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so I think we're gonna go back to the house, change up maybe, do a little bit of fishing. You feel like fishing?
Yeah.
All right, we'll probably go do some fishing and come back, take a shower, get some food. See you at the pond. All right, everybody, we are back for our final fishing stop of this trip. Gonna try our secret spot one last time before we gotta return back to Rhode Island. It's been an awesome trip so far. What do you think, buddy?
Yes, I have had a good time. The food was good and the fishing was also pretty good.
Pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I would say it's better than pretty good, but
Yeah, definitely.
yeah. Yeah, we're guessing. We caught so many fish we lost track. But we're guessing a safe average is probably 20 apiece.
Yeah.
Nothing huge. Oh, there we go. We got one. Fish on.
Look at this one.
There we go. About 1.5 pounds. Decent fish.
Yeah.
I didn't catch any largemouth yesterday. Lucas caught.
Yeah,
What?
you lost like the biggest one.
I probably lost like a 3-pound largemouth yesterday. But c'est la vie. I can't complain. We'll get you back in the water. First cast, one fish. That's a good start. One cast, one fish. We'll take it. Hopefully that keeps up. You know what they say though, sometimes if you catch a fish on your first cast, it doesn't work so good afterwards. We'll see. Yeah, it sure is nice out. Kicking myself, I forgot my sunglasses back at the house. Yeah, I can't see anything in the water. Those polarized sunglasses make such a big difference when you're trying to look in or at the water. That looks like Lukey caught a fish. Caught himself a little largemouth over there, ditch pickle. Nice job, buddy. Nice. Fix your drag there, buddy. Nice fish though. Nice fishy. Nice fish. Nice fish, buddy. Nice fish. Ho! Touchdown. No spiking them. No spiking the fish. Not seeing them anymore. They may have moved. There we go. There we go. There's always one hanging around. Let's get this guy up here on the grass. Not a bad fish. About 1 pound and change. I would guess probably about 20 ounces. All right, buddy. Pretty fish. Not huge, but a pretty fish. Looks like Lukey's got himself a sunfish over there. Caught in the grass. There he goes. He got him out. I think he's using them for bait. Switch things up. Swim shad wasn't really working so hot anymore. Caught a few fish on it, so we're going to try the old big whopper plopper, the giant loon. See if that makes a difference. See if maybe they'll hit top water. It's a little on the warm side today. Nope, little guy jumped after it, missed it. He was a little one. He was probably about 6 inches, 8 inches long. Not what we're after, so it's good that he missed it. All right, guys, so we just finished up fishing. This is probably our last day of fishing while we're up here for this 2023 summer vacation up here in the beautiful North Conway White Mountain area. I caught 2. I thought he caught 2. Either way, we had a fun time. We only fished for like an hour and change, but now we gotta go home, take showers, go get something to eat, maybe play some mini golf, get some ice cream, and then go home and pack up because we have to check out in the morning for our trip back to good old Rhode Island. So we'll catch up with you then. All right, Lucas and I are all showered up and presentable now. All spick and span.
Yep.
We don't stink anymore. Now we are going to May Kelly's and get some yum yums, right buddy?
Yep.
All right, we will see you there. All right, so Lucas and I just had one of the best meals we've had all trip. Unfortunately, I left the GoPro in the car and I left my phone back at the house, so we didn't get any pictures of anything. But Lukey, what would you say? Was it good?
Yes.
Yes, it was
really
delicious.
good.
So we ate at May Kelly's. It's an Irish pub bar restaurant right next to Delaney's Hole in the Wall pub. They're only open a few days a week, but if you're up here, definitely check it out because it was good. We're gonna go back to the house, pick up my cell phone, and then play some mini golf. All right, so do you want to break the bad news?
Yeah, Dad kicked my butt. He won by 7 strokes because I messed up on one hole.
Lucas had a rough hole. One hole he blew up on. How many holes in one did you get though?
Like 4.
Like you got 4 holes in one?
4 or 5.
And you still lost by 7?
Uh-huh.
Oh, either way, we had a lot of fun. We played this course, Pirates Cove. We played here 4 times while we were on vacation this week. There's 2 different courses. There's the captain's course, and then there's another course behind me. We played them each twice. We had a blast all 4 times. And now we are gonna go get some ice cream, and then we're gonna go back and start the process of packing up.
Fun.
Yikes. So let's go fatten up some more. What do you say?
Good idea.
Okay guys, so we are at Trails and Ice Cream. It is one of the best places for ice cream in this area in the Mount Washington Valley, North Conway. Where else can you get ice cream with a pretty spectacular view for an ice cream shop, huh?
Yeah.
Let's go get our ice cream.
We have our ice cream here. I started eating it because I didn't know I was supposed to wait.
So Lucas got the vanilla soft serve with the mini M&Ms, and I got the Moose Tracks.
They gave me way too many M&Ms.
And that's 1 scoop. That's like $3 worth of ice cream. It's a really good deal. And here is the view. Not a bad view to eat your ice cream with, right buddy? Great way to end a great trip. What do you have to say? Is it good? Delicious, right?
Mm-hmm.
This ice cream is so good.
The view is nice too.
Yep. Look what I found.
The Wild Lucas.
The Wild Lucas attached to the mast.
Like Obi-Wan and Attack of the Clones.
Yeah.
I was beginning to wonder if you'd got my message.
Beautiful way to end the vacation. I smell some kids smoking marijuana pot dope.
Drugs are bad. You shouldn't do drugs. If you do them, you're bad.
Do you smell it?
Yeah, a little bit.
So you guys aren't going to believe this, but Lucas and I found something from a long, outdated time, a time long past. We found a relic from an ancient world.
On the paper. Should see if it works.
Wonder how many of you actually know what this is.
What is it? An elegant weapon for a more civilized age.
Put a comment in the comment section if you know what this is. You know what this is?
Yes.
Okay.
We should see if it works.
I don't want to touch it.
Good idea. Get bleach on your hands and then touch it.
All right, little man, you ready to head back to the house?
Mm-hmm.
All right. We've had a long day. We've had a great week. We're going to go back to the house, start packing, putting our stuff together, get a decent night's sleep, hopefully. Then it's back home to Rhode Island. So We'll see you sometime along the way. Thanks for joining us so far in our adventure, and we really appreciate it if you guys have liked this video. It really helps our channel a lot if you guys can give us a thumbs up, and especially if you subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section. You know, maybe tell us something you've enjoyed. If you've been to one of these places before in New Hampshire, leave a comment, tell us what you've liked. Share some advice about maybe next time when we come up here, where to go, where not to go. Please check out the rest of our videos on the Outdoor Explorers YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll check in again with you very soon.